Hi everyone, this is Marley, gardening in Kentucky. I'm at Lowe's right now and I get so excited because I found lots of plants on sale. So I'm trying to get me some good house plants. Maybe some plants I can plant outside in the spring, so we'll see. I'm going to show you what they have. I found this palm plant for $4, and then there's a snake plant. All the snake plants are $4 each. The original price is $13.98. It looks like they forgot to water this plant, and this one has 3 plants already, so I'm going to separate this to make 3. They actually have a lot more in here, and they're really nice. This one is a Dracaena. It's beat up in the bottom part of the plant, but I think this will survive, and this one is $3. They have some bird's nest friends and some photos. Some more snake plants right here and some more photos. I like this. The price ranges from $3 to $4, and then they have some poinsettias that are $1 each, but they're already spent. I don't think anyone would want to buy this. They have this amaryllis bulb kit. That's what it looks like, and they're $3 each. This one still has a flower. This one's already spent. I'm not sure if I want to buy this. I actually want to plant an amaryllis, but I'm not sure if I want this kind. They have some croton. This still look nice. I'll probably get one of this. They're $6, and like this has 2 plants inside, I think. Oh, this one has 3. So I guess I can separate this into 3. It's uniquely elegant. See that? Original price for this is $14.98. They have this hanging basket of golden photos. This one is also on clearance for $14. It actually looks nice. It's big too. I will get this cordyline. It's $6, and this pot has 3 plants, and just like the others, this one is very dry. So these plants are very thirsty right now. I'm gonna take this home and take care of them. They have some more up there. Some more cordyline and some crop. This is a great time to get some plants for cheap. If you want to get some, you might want to check your local stores or big box stores near you. These are the plants that I got. It's gotten late already, but I got a snake plant. I got a couple of sago palm plants, and it's prickly. And I got a cordyline. $18 for all of this is a good deal, and we saved like how much? 38? Yeah. If you want some good deals on plants, you might want to check out the stores in your area. It's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.